Hi guys, welcome to the workshop. My name is Jason Wilkins and this is a quick video. No woodworking going on in this one. What I'm going to be doing is I've got my Trend T40 router here and the spindle lock, this thing here that locks the spindle when you release the collet to let the router bits out, has never worked properly for the past 7 years. Unfortunately, when I got this router in 2013, I was new to routers and over tightened the collet, and eventually it slipped, and it's been slipping ever since when I pushed the lock in, and I've just put up with it for 7 years. I purchased 2 replacement lock-in levers. I don't need 2, I only need 1, and because I don't over tighten them now, it won't ever break again. But believe it or not, this part was only £1.44 plus VAT. The postage was actually £2 plus VAT. So because the postage was more than the part, I thought, why not order 2 and have a spare one just in case. I ordered it, I don't know, about just gone 3 o'clock one evening, and the very next day in the first post came a package from Trend with the parts in. On my router I've currently got the Unibase because I've been using it in a dovetail router jig, so let's just remove that. Okay, that's the router base off. Now then, what we need to do is take out the router bit I've got in there. Router bit's out. You need to take the collet nut all the way out. Okay, there's the collet nut. Next job, let's take the router out of the stand. Okay, we can put that aside. So there we have it. If you can see in there, that's where the locking plate is we need to get to replace. Through here, there's 3 screws. Let's undo those 3 screws. That's one. Two screws out. Take the 3rd screw out of there. Okay, that's all 3 screws out of there. Just remove that plate there. Okay, now what we can do is we can pry this just off like that. Push the button in and then pull it out like that, and there you go. We can take the black cap off the end, get the replacement locking plate. If you can see that there, it's slightly worn on the edges there. So we'll put the spindle button back on there. Let's put the spring back in there, and then push that back in there like so, and then the button comes out, and there we have it. So we can put this back on now, just in there like so. Then the plate we took off, put that back in, and now proceed to put the 3 screws in. Okay, so we got that back in there now. Put the router body back into the stand. Let's tighten that back up. That's that. Put the collet back on. So there we have it. That took, what, a couple of minutes. Quickly take the base off, take out this part here, and replace the spindle locking lever. Why on earth I didn't change it 7 years ago, I don't know. It literally cost £1.44 for the part, £2 for postage plus VAT, and 2 minutes work to change the part over. Lesson learned. Thanks very much for watching. I look forward to welcoming you back to my workshop soon.